it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Diagonal Star. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So this is a dexterity puzzle, and I just exploded it. So, more or less, we will take our pieces. We will put them together, like so. And then we need to build the mirror of that. Now you can make the colors match or not, they're all identical pieces. I'll make a match this time for fun. As I don't do anything close to what I'm supposed to. Okay. That is that. So that is the mirror of that. Now this is easier to do on carpet or something soft that is grippy, so you can kind of build one piece and then build the other. But we have our two mirrored pieces. Now we will pick this up carefully and explode it in our hands and just make a mess of everything. Ah, geez. Ah. Okay. Now like that. I am all fingers today. Okay, we have our two pieces. They're still mirrored. They look mirrored. Okay. Now if we want our colors to match up like I had them, we need to rotate it so that it sits like that. And now we'll just mesh up the flats like so. Just kind of overcome those tips over the flats. So you can see the brown, I'm kind of just matching those tips to the flats, same with everything else. And it slides together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.